Hi. So, what are the best days to become pregnant? Is for this we have to know the most fertile period. So, how do we calculate the fertile period? Is your cycle length minus 14. So, if your cycle length is 28 days, then 14th day is your ovulation day, roughly. If your cycle length is 32, then 18th day will be your ovulation day. So, we have to calculate a fertile period. Then, having intercourse at that time can actually help you make you pregnant. So there are apps which monitor your cycles. So in that, monitor your cycle for 3 months, know your fertile period, and you can try to have intercourse during that time. Apart from this, there are some symptoms also which can predict your ovulation. One is basal body temperature. So this should be measured as soon as you get up without getting out of bed, without eating anything, without drinking anything, and without doing any work. Just measure your temperature. Generally, just before ovulation, temperature rises by 0.5 to 1 degree centigrade, and this lasts till ovulation happens. So, there will be a slight rise of temperature, which until we monitor, we might not know. This rise is mainly because of the progesterone hormone, which gets released at the time of ovulation. Nowadays, many thermometers have come up to measure basal body temperature with very slight calibrations. So, you can buy that and monitor your ovulation. Second is some patients can experience slight pain at the time of ovulation on the left or the right side in the lower abdomen. So you can seriously concentrate about that. If you feel that kind of pain, then that means you're ovulating. Third is the cervical mucus. So if the mucus increases, if the discharge increases, becomes more watery, and it's more like an egg white texture, then that means ovulation is happening. So some patients actually complain saying that, discharge is increasing. Nothing to worry. This is pretty common at the time of ovulation. And next is the LH kits. So these are commonly available in the market. You can buy these LH kits and put some urine drops on it. Then if 2 lines come, then that means your LH surge is happening, and you can have ovulation in the coming 2 to 3 days, and those are the most fertile days. Coming to the last option, and this is most definitive and confirmatory, is an ultrasound, where we can do a scan and see the follicle and see whether it is rupturing. If it ruptures, then we see the fluid in the abdomen and the follicle is crumpled. So this is the most definitive, and we can clearly know the ovulation day based on this.